hate to handle blue guns.
Well, I got them.
without-
Yeah, I got some stuff on. Oh, found see, put it on.
The Trooper.
Yeah.
These are nice guns.
Real good condition.
That's really nice.
Be as old as it, about 1969.
Yeah.
Somewhere in there. Last year they made them was in '69. And I don't know if that was a new model or that
You know,
was
it's
a-
even nicer than this one. They made these in 22 also.
I've never seen
Yeah.
it.
Really
I had a
nice.
22 Diamondback
No, this was, they actually made this in 22 at one time.
for a training gun, probably.
What are you asking on it, sir?
8.
Yeah. That's a good retail price, but I can't do 8.
What would you go?
I'd like to insult you and offer you 5, and then we can dance from there.
I'll think about it. I just got here.
Got him.
I'll think about it.
What caliber is that, if you don't mind my asking?
357.
Okay. Yeah, I got a 357 but they're
That's totally different.
different animals.
I got that in a Cobra that looks just